The Indiba machine is used for tissue regeneration and pain relief, heating tissue with patented capacitive-resistive radiofrequency for 148 kHz, stimulating repair, improving circulation, reducing inflammation, and promoting healing and cosmetic restoration. The password is 6666666. When getting into the main interface, then there are times, intensity settings for each handle, easy to understand. Before treatment, please remember to place the negative electrode patch on the customer's back. The Graston Handle in the Indiba machine is primarily used for soft tissue release and myofascial relaxation, helping to alleviate muscle tension, adhesions, and scar tissue. Treatment areas typically include muscles, fascia, and around joints commonly targeting regions like the neck, shoulders, back, and limbs where pain or restricted movement occurs. About RET handling, it uses resistive radiofrequency for deep tissues, targeting pain relief, tissue repair, and inflammation reduction. About CET handling, it uses capacitive radiofrequency for superficial tissues, focusing on skin tightening, hydration, and surface circulation. RF Handle, which is a roller-type single-stage radiofrequency, can heat subcutaneous fat, decompose fat cells, and achieve the effect of local fat reduction and body shaping. It can be used on the abdomen, shoulders, and neck. Its purpose is to decompose fat clumps, eliminate excess fat particles, and improve orange peel tissue.